Join us for an inspiring journey into the heart of home renovation, where your dream kitchen become a form of art. Welcome to another episode of Renopod. Today we agree right here with us, and we are going to talk about hoods and hob for your kitchen.
So why should homeowners get hoods and hobs for their kitchen?
Why do we install hoods? Is to improve the air quality of your kitchen. You know, when you cook inside a kitchen, right, it can produce a lot of unwanted smoke and gas. So by installing a hoods, right, it will filter out the air through the exhaust pipe.
It's like, like every time we go to those like Korean BBQ restaurant, and then they have this hood on top of us, then it will filter out all the smoke and everything.
Do you know that some hoods actually come with light? It helps you to see clearly, especially those hard to see area with grease and dirt. It can help to save energy when you turn on the light rather than the kitchen light.
I agree. The lights can make your kitchen look more aesthetic also.
As for hob, right, industrial hob is much efficient than traditional method when it comes to, for example, boiling water, and also it can boil water half the time than electrical hob or gas hob.
Wow, this one really save a lot of time and hassle. What else can it do?
Okay, induction hobs, right, it also offer precise temperature control, allow you to set the exact heat that you want. It's good for simmering sauce or melting chocolate.
What about pricing for the hoods and hobs?
Pricing wise, it depends on the model and the technology. So if you want to understand more about hobs and hood, right, you can hop on to renopedia.sg, as we have more than 50 over product merchants on our website. If you like this video, give us a like, share and comment. For people who are looking for interior design firm, you can use Renopedia and you can get 5 to 8 interior design firms quotation. And if you choose an interior designer via Renopedia, you have the chance to win out to 50k. So I see you at the next episode.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.